First of all, you must press Create Point button in Terrain Builder script. You can use any type of points, your footage, empty comp, or our big 2D library. Also, you can create instance or unique 2D sprite from our library. Every point have many properties for setup. Let's see how edit point position. You can edit position in 2D map as default. But you can set up and animate it directly in 3D map. Just unlink this point from 2D map. The point will automatically snap to the terrain, and 2D point will automatically move to a new position. You can switch between these two options. But Create Path feature will works only with link to 2D map option. For path creating, you must animate position parameter first. In script window, press Create Path button. Shape will be created with animation. Select point for setup path parameters. For fast edit animation, you can close render me composition. You can create 20 points with path animation. Thanks for watching, and